In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check old history in Google Chrome. If you've ever needed to revisit a page you saw weeks ago, or you simply want a clear view of your past browsing, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get there in a few quick clicks. I'll guide you through the standard menu path first, then show you a fast keyboard shortcut, and we'll wrap up by closing the tab when you're done. Start with Google Chrome open on your computer. Look to the very top right corner of the browser window and find the icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button that controls most of Chrome's settings and tools. Click it to open a drop-down menu. From here, hover your mouse over the option labeled History. A small panel appears showing a few of your most recent sites, and you'll also see the full history option. Click History to open the dedicated history page in a new tab. On the History tab, you'll see a chronological list of the sites you've visited, organized by date and time. This is where you can check older entries. Just scroll down to move farther back in time. The list can go back quite a while depending on your settings and whether your history has been cleared in the past. If you use the same Google account across devices and have sync turned on, you may also see visits from other devices here. If you don't spot something you expected, it could be that the browsing data was cleared earlier, or that you were using private browsing at the time, which doesn't save history. Once you've found what you need or you're finished reviewing, simply close the History tab. You can do this by clicking the small X on the tab at the top of the window, returning you to whatever you were doing before. There's also a faster way to get to the same place if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. While Chrome is active, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. That opens the same History tab instantly, no menu required. It's a great time saver if you check your history often or you're in the middle of a task and don't want to break your flow. That's all you need to check old history in Google Chrome. Open the menu and choose History, or use Ctrl+H, review what you need, and close the tab when you're done. Keep this in mind the next time you need to retrace your steps online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.